Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I just unboxed my second wireless doorbell. Yeah, this is the second one. We're gonna mount it tomorrow. We have a separate video. As you can see, there's the box right there. It says digital doorbell right here. This is the box, digital doorbell. So far, I'm liking it. It's nothing in the box, but you see we got a lot of the new doorbell here in this package. And here's the transmitter, the one you have to push the button. Here's what it sounds like. So there you go. That's what it sounds like. And this is the second receiver right here. As you can see, it's like whatchamacallit, it's like, see, this is the second receiver. Let me show you how to pair it really quick. So to pair this transmitter, you have to, oh, mommy's gonna give my medicine first, so I have to pause it. I'm recording. Alright, so this particular kit we purchased is the Kakazi wireless doorbell. It has 60 chimes and 5 volume levels. So this is the A60 kit doorbell. Out here, that's what it sounds like. And what you have to do, select your chime. Oh my god, that's loud. That is loud. Okay, now to pair it, you have to hold the volume button down. It makes that little tiny sound. Then you press the button, and it makes 2 more beeps. And then you press the button. Now it's paired. You can select different other chimes. And you can select it differently too. There you go, now select differently. $60 chimes. And then you see there's 60 different chimes. That's nice. And then you pair it like that. Alright, that's it.